Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the world of dishwashers, focusing on two distinct models, the AooDen portable dishwasher and the Sharp SDW6504MS. The AooDen is designed for those who need portability and flexibility, perfect for apartments, RVs, or small homes. In contrast, the Sharp SDW6504MS is a built-in model that offers high capacity and quiet operation, ideal for larger households. Join us as we explore their features, performance, and what makes each of them unique. The AooDen portable dishwasher offers exceptional portability, allowing users to place it anywhere without the need for permanent plumbing. This makes it an excellent choice for renters or those with limited space. On the other hand, the Sharp SDW6504MS is a built-in model that requires professional installation and a permanent plumbing connection, making it more suitable for traditional kitchens. Each installation type caters to different user needs, highlighting the versatility of the AooDen versus the integrated design of the Sharp. When it comes to capacity, the AooDen portable dishwasher can accommodate only 2 to 3 place settings, making it ideal for singles or couples. In contrast, the Sharp SDW6504MS can handle up to 12 place settings, making it perfect for families or larger gatherings. This significant difference in capacity reflects the intended use of each model, with the AooDen focusing on convenience for smaller loads and the Sharp designed for high-volume dishwashing. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The AooDen portable dishwasher is priced at $339.99, making it an affordable option for those on a budget or looking for a compact solution. Meanwhile, the Sharp SDW6504MS comes at a higher price of $599.99, reflecting its larger capacity and advanced features. While the AooDen offers great value for its portability, the Sharp provides a more robust solution for those willing to invest more for a built-in appliance. In conclusion, choosing between the AooDen portable dishwasher and the Sharp SDW6504MS depends on your specific needs and kitchen setup. If you prioritize portability and ease of use, the AooDen is a fantastic choice. However, if you need a high-capacity, built-in solution for a busy household, the Sharp is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.